today we're making the Pioneer Woman's recipe of Snickerdoodle cookies.
We went to the Pioneer Woman and tried the Snickerdoodles and they were amazing. We just had to make them.
Yep. Let's get into it.
Woo! For this recipe, you will need 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. We are using gluten-free flour.
2 teaspoons cream of tartar.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of salted butter at room temperature.
1/4 cup of light brown sugar.
1.5 cups plus 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar.
2 large eggs.
1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon for rolling.
Wash your hands!
And my 2 baking sheets of parchment paper.
First, mix your flour, your baking soda,
your cream of tartar, and your salt. And then set it aside. Add your butter,
your white sugar,
and your brown sugar.
Then you're gonna beat it!
Now you're gonna add your eggs in one at a time.
Now add your vanilla.
Slowly add your dry ingredients. Okay, now we're ready to roll the cookies. But first, wash your hands
again! Coating them in cinnamon and sugar, and then we're putting it onto the pan. Now bake them for 8 to 10 minutes.
They're all cooled down now. Lily, it's time to try them. How do they taste?
It's scrumptious. It's like soft and chewy, but the outside is crunchy. It's really good.
You heard it here, folks. Really good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.